How to see favorite stickers in Snapchat. Now open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you're running the latest application. Log into your Snapchat account, and then the only way for you to be able to have access to your stickers or your favorite stickers is via the chat box if you initiate any interactions with your friends. So say for example, we will interact the specific user right here. Now to access your stickers is actually right side of the microphone icon that says hey right here. Simply tap on it. These are all available stickers that you can use from Snapchat. To access your favorite stickers, you just head into the heart icon. So as you can see, this is going to be the icon that you need for you to have access to your favorite stickers. If you haven't added any stickers that will be designated to your favorite stickers, is just have to long press on any stickers that you would like to be added to your favorites. So for example, this one, tap and hold in it, and then choose Save to Favorite Stickers. Once it is added to your favorites, just have to access the heart icon again, and then it will be showing right there. So that's how you see favorite stickers in Snapchat.